We hear you. The Apogee team attends a lot of trade shows every year and we receive a lot of feedback. But some potential customers keep saying, your sensors are great, but do you have an even lower cost version of your sensors? Apparently they want an even more budget-friendly weather sensor, but they still want that Apogee rock-solid reliability. At Apogee, we've developed a reputation of producing high-quality instruments, and we're not about to sacrifice quality just for a lower price. However, we are very, very creative, and we may have just found a way to achieve both. Unknown to us, this sensor has spent millions of years in development right under our feet. Introducing the WR-1. The WR-1 leverages direct observational feedback, eliminating the need for empirical calibration coefficients. The WR-1 features broadband responses, visible, infrared, and tactile. Each sensor comes with a conversion index to make sampling fast and efficient. Conversion is simple. If the rock is wet, then it's raining. If it's white, then it's snowing. If the rock is blurry or hard to see, it's foggy. The WR-1 has zero power consumption and no cables or wires to manage. Every WR-1 sensor is calibrated against local geology.
Right out of the box, it was taking incredibly accurate measurements. It's so simple and easy to use. Apogee has always been the pinnacle of reliability, and this is no different.
We spent tens of minutes ensuring it's geologically rated weatherproofing.
This is literally the first time I've ever seen this.
So no matter whether you're looking for a precision or an ultra cost-efficient option, Apogee Instruments has an environmental sensor for every budget.